favorite movies of his. All right, let's see. So we got James Earl Jones. I'm trying to think, do I like the beard or do I like the no beard? I think I like the, either way, it still looks like him. I'm going to go with this one right here. All right. My son works. Okay, here you go. Let's put this one away here. All right, man. We're doing quite a bit of pictures today. Again, guys, thank you again for coming out. Certainly appreciate it. All right, so let's do a picture of James Earl Jones. So first we got to get that expression in there. We'll just go ahead with a Sharpie on this one. You know, the only way you can overcome your fear of messing up is to just mess up. Just jump out there, you know what I'm saying? You got to mess up sometimes. All right, let me see what's his face saying to me. It's saying, something like this. Is in a real simple kind of a way. It's kind of, and then it's saying this. This is what I see. This is my, yeah, this is what I see. Okay, so I'm gonna steal. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna customize it. Okay, I'm gonna steal these glasses here. So I'm not gonna go anywhere until I see. When I see it, then I put it. But if I don't see it, I don't put it down there. There. See there? Now look. Something like that. Now I see this. I see this. Wait. That's what I see. All right, I see something like that. Then what I see this. That's what I see. What I see next? I see that nose break. Yeah. Now let me see here. I ain't even went to. Let me see what I see about these eyes here. I see friendly eyes. So I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna use a circle here, dude. I'm just gonna watch. I see friendliness. So I'm gonna add friendliness in there, and then I'll just build my shape around that. Yeah, I see it. Can you see it? Yeah, for sure. Okay, so now let me see. Let's go ahead and bring these around just a bit. What am I seeing? Am I seeing the head shape yet? I'm seeing it. I'm seeing the head. I'm starting the head shape starting to form in my head. So I'm gonna start here. I see this distinct, very round jawline shape here, and then I see these little round, like, you see right here, like this round right there. Should I go round and then go around, or should I just go straight down with it and then make that shape? No, you know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna keep one line, and then I'm gonna come straight down with it. So I'm not going to take my hand off the paper, and then I can just bring that shape off into there. You see what I'm saying? Now that makes more sense right there. All right. Now I'm going to go over here and see what I'm seeing. I'm seeing the same thing but not like this. I'm seeing more of a direct shape, like something like this. And it looked like he got some James Earl hair right there, and then he got like his ears very high up on his head here. His ears sit very high up. I actually should have put these like here. Oh, let me see. No, I still can do it. I can do it here. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead to my forehead shape. So what he got going on to me, I see something like this, right? And then I see something with a light line kind of going back off into the forehead. And then I see another shape like that. So it make it easier to see how that hairline feels. It kind of feels like a James Earl Jones hairline. Now I'm just going to go ahead and don't that look like James Earl Jones? I'm having the time of my life, man. All right. I want to thank y'all for coming out and drawing with me today. At least y'all came out and look. This is his turtleneck. Can you see it? And then you can see his little, all right. And it looked like he got, I don't know what he got on there. It looked like a jacket of some kind. Maybe it's what I'll do. I'll just give it some lapels. All right. Turtleneck. Man, he actually looked real good for his age. He didn't have a whole bunch of wrinkles or nothing. I don't even know how old was James Earl Jones. He took 31, 24. What's that? How old is that? Somebody help me out. Well, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, 2001, 2021. So he's like 80 something. James Earl Jones, man. Like, I don't know what y'all talking about. I don't know what y'all saying. This looks like, look, and then if I color this in right here and color this in. That's James Earl Jones, man. Earl Jones. Alright, so we got add a little shadow. Man, I really am feeling this James Earl Jones right here, man. I'm not trying to, I don't normally pat myself on the back, but nah, I'm playing with you. Alright. Let me see here. Man, look. Come on now. Look at that. Okay. Now, you know, with this particular drawing, right? When I got to the mouth, I didn't know what I wanted to do. I just knew, like, my brain, what I was looking at in the picture was telling me to draw different lines. Like, let me show you what I mean. Wait, I'll show it to you after I'm done. I'm gonna do this first. Hold up. Look at that. So I'm gonna do this. Oh man, come on now. Add a little dimension to it. A couple of gray, salt and peppers, right? And then he had on the gray sweater, so we'll just do like this here. Okay. And where's my marker out here? Yeah. Oh. Okay. So, check it out. Just a little quick tip for you guys. And I'm going to show you what I mean when I say this. All right. So, we're already done. We did James Earl Jones. Okay. And we'll even put like a little. Let's see here. All right. Yeah. Okay. All right. James Earl Jones, right? All right. So, and let me sound work. So again, when I was telling you, thank you, Gordon. I appreciate it. I will take a bow. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.